But in the previous part of our essay, this essay, we understood the background that made Vivek Chibe to write this essay. So it has a reference to his book, which was published in the year 2013, PTSC. So by PTSC, we understood post-colonial theory and the spectre of capital, which is a book written by Vivek Chibe in the year 2000. It was published in the year 2013. Pata Chatterjee and Gayatri Spivak disagreed with his views, his arguments presented in the book, and they criticized him for being more general about social studies and post-colonial studies. And he wrote this essay in response to their criticism. It is a kind of counter-attack. In this part, he talks about Guha's book, Dominance Without Hegemony, which was published in the year 1997. The longest part of PTSC, a book by Chiber, engages Ranjit Guha's argument that India never developed an integrated political culture because the bourgeoisie failed to carry out a political revolution in the manner that its predecessors had in Europe during the great bourgeois revolutions of 1940 and 1789. So he's talking about the chapters in the book, the PTSC, and longest part of this book talks about Ranjit Guha's argument. What is that argument? The argument was that India never developed an integrated political culture. That is the first part of this particular argument. India never developed an integrated political culture. Integrated means one, homogeneous as such, agency. Now, what is the reason? Term were used in the European context to refer to the middle class, but by in Marxism, this refers to the capitalist class, the people, capitalist people who control everything. That is the base, they control the base, and the superstructure is built upon that. India couldn't develop an integrated political culture, according to Guha, because of the bourgeoisie, because the bourgeoisie failed to carry out a political revolution. Means these middle class people could not bring a political revolution in India. When we compare it with the European revolutions, we understand that that's what Guha thought. Hence, the Indian political revolution would not take place in the manner that its predecessors. Predecessors means the earlier people belonging to earlier generations had in Europe. Means what happened in Europe. That was because of the coming together of bourgeoisie people. He refers to the great bourgeois revolutions of 1640. It happened in England. And 1789. You know it very well what happened in France in the year 1789. So he's talking about two great revolutions. He's referring to the English Revolution of 1640 and the French Revolution of 1789. And that could not happen. Means these revolutions were the revolutions caused by the coming together of the bourgeois people. And that could not happen in India. That is the basic argument of Ranjit Guha in his book Dominance Without Hegemony. Okay. Now, one thing you should understand here, the the two great revolutions, bourgeois revolution is referring to, are, as I mentioned earlier, English Revolution of 1640. You might be knowing something about Lord Cromwell, Oliver Cromwell. What happened to Charles first? He was executed, and his son Charles II went on exile to France, and the superiority of the monarchy was denied, rejected by the middle class people, and the parliamentary supremacy was established in Britain. That was the first revolution, in which monarchy, the power of monarchy was lowered, and the parliamentary supremacy was established in England. And in the year 1789, again, the same thing happened in France. Louis XIV was executed, and the parliamentary democracy was brought over there. So these are the two important events that Ranjit Guha is referring to. And this particular argument is the part of the book, the largest part of the book, PTSC. Then what is Chibe's argument? He claimed that he shows that Guha is drawing on a discredited historiography of the European revolutions, and hence that the putative gap between the competency of Indian and Western European capitalists is largely fictional. So he does not agree with Guha in this regard. So what he says is he shows in this book, Chiber, that Guha's argument is drawing on a discredited historiography. The history which is not given credit. It is the discredited historiography. It does not get the credit as such. And therefore, there is a kind of putative gap in terms of ideology between the competency of the Indian and Western European capitalist. So he refers to the gap between the competency between Indian capitalists and Western capitalists. This particular gap is putative. Putative is generally what we call rejected or considered. So these gaps are not considered at all. They are fictional, they are imaginary. And when Chiber points out this particular shortcoming of Guha's argument, Chatterjee responds with three assertions. He responds to Chiber with three claims. There are three assertions. What are they? First, that Guha never makes any claims about the classic bourgeois revolution at all. His criticism is only of the historiography of colonial India and the comparison that he makes with Europe. Okay? So he does not make any claim about the bourgeois revolutions at all. That is the first assertion made by Chatterjee. The second assertion is that when Guha uses the expression Indian bourgeoisie, is not referring to capitalist, but in fact to the middle class leadership of the Congress. Guha is using the term Indian bourgeoisie with reference to the middle class leadership of the Congress. National Congress Party, Indian National Congress. And the third, that insofar as there is any European reference that Goa has in mind, it is the mid 20th century British state, not the earlier vintage of the 18th or 19th centuries. That is the third claim. The third claim is that he is not referring to the 18th or 19th centuries, he is referring to the mid 20th century only. He is referring to the British state. So these are the three assertions made by Chatterjee in response to Vivek Chibe's argument against Ranjit Guha. We shall continue the discussion in the next lecture.